These app folks. Okay, so you saw my brake sensor went off. This is the brake pads I'm buying because I'm not going to buy a new disc. Now when you buy a new disc, I would assume you want to buy really good brake pads, but because I'm just changing the brakes and then I have still a year not to drive, I'm going to just do the pads. Same with the back, I'm going to do the pads, but I'm going to just notice now is that the back ones have sensors. Yeah, so which means the back wheels have sensors too, and I only have one sensor, which is great. So yeah, this is optimum make. I don't know what that is. It's brake brakes, it doesn't really matter. Front brakes, motor partner. I've been using this in the past, and they are fine. They're not noisy or anything, and I think they're less dusty than Mercedes-Benz brake pads. Mercedes-Benz brake pads are super like dirty. Your wheels will be dirty every week, full of dust. Also, you might see that got a project car. Yes, it's a Golfy 1.4 Chico. Needs a lot of work though, it doesn't start. That's going to be a cool project. The car does not start currently. It's been standing for, I think, 4 years, 5 years. Oof, gonna be a mission that car. Okay, let's get to it. Button. Hey guys, so it turns out, yeah, it's the leaking. It's the leaking. So luckily I got me a new gasket. So I'm gonna be installing that, and then that should stop the leak, which is nice. Anyways, yeah, continue on.